What's going on, everybody? This is Demetrius Harris, your DAC funding broker, and on this channel, I help business owners get access to funding in all types of industries. If you own a car wash, auto detailer business, mobile wash business, or vehicle cleaning service and need money for equipment, payroll, operations, upgrades, or growth, this video is for you. Before we get started, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more funding content. Let's get into it. A lot of car wash owners are bringing in customers and generating revenue, but they still run into cash flow pressure. When it is time to repair equipment, cover payroll, buy supplies, upgrade the facility, maintain the property, or expand the business. In this video, I'm going to break down how car wash funding works, what lenders usually look for, common mistakes to avoid, and how the right capital may help your car wash business grow stronger. Let's start with the reality of running a car wash business. This industry takes money to operate. You have payroll, water costs, utilities, chemicals, soap, waxes, maintenance, repairs, insurance, rent or mortgage, marketing, and day-to-day operating expenses. On top of that, many car wash owners need money for vacuums, pressure washers, tunnel systems, conveyor equipment, dryers, water reclaim system, POS system, payment kiosks, signage, lighting, and property improvements. Even when business is steady, these costs can still put pressure on cash flow. That is why access to funding can make such a major difference. There are many reasons car wash owners seek funding. Some need money for payroll. Some need working capital for daily operations. Others need funds for equipment repairs, new wash systems, vacuums, chemicals, property upgrades, paving, lighting, signage, marketing, staffing, or opening another location. Some owners need funding to stabilize operations. Others need it because they are ready to grow. The right funding can help with both. One of the biggest challenges in car wash business is that revenue can fluctuate while expenses stay constant. Weather can impact customer traffic. Slow periods can affect daily sales. At the same time, equipment still needs maintenance. Utilities still have to be paid. Chemicals still have to be stocked. And staff still have to be paid. So even if the business is doing well overall, cash flow pressure can still hit. Funding can help bridge that gap and keep the business moving. One of the most important types of funding for car wash businesses is working capital. Working capital is flexible funding that can be used for day-to-day business expenses. That may include payroll, utilities, chemicals, soaps, repairs, insurance, marketing, rent, and general operations. This can be extremely important because car wash revenue can shift due to weather, seasonality, and traffic patterns. Working capital helps create breathing room and stability. Some car wash businesses also need funding specifically for equipment. That may include wash systems, vacuums, dryers, compressors, pressure washers, reclaim systems, water treatment equipment, payment systems, detailing tools, and more. Equipment funding can help you get what your business needs without paying the full cost all at once. That helps protect cash flow while still allowing you to improve service and support growth. For many car wash owners, The property itself matters just as much as the equipment. Maybe you need paving, lighting, signage, upgraded vacuum stations, better drainage, fencing, landscaping, or cosmetic improvements to make the location more attractive. Maybe you want to modernize the customer experience with better lanes, pay stations, or digital systems. These upgrades take money, but they can also help increase traffic and improve customer satisfaction. Funding can help make those improvements possible. Another major challenge in the car wash business is labor. If you want a better customer experience, keep operations clean, maintain speed, or add detailing services. You may need more staff, but payroll adds pressure before the full return from growth always shows up. That is why staffing can create financial strain if the business is not properly capitalized. Funding can help support payroll and strengthen operations. Growth takes money. Maybe you want to add detailing services, build a membership program, improve marketing, add more equipment, hire more employees, or open another location. Expansion means more expenses before the full return shows up. That is why access to funding can be such a major advantage. It helps car wash owners move on opportunities instead of missing them because of limited capital. Now, let's talk about what lenders usually look for when reviewing a car wash business for funding. First, they often look at time in business. Second, they look at monthly revenue and whether deposits are consistent. Third, they may review your cash flow, bank activity, existing debt, and personal credit profile. The key thing to understand is that lenders usually look at the full business picture, not just one factor by itself. A lot of car wash owners think if their credit is not perfect, they do not have a chance. That is not always true. Credit matters, but so do revenue deposits, time in business, cash flow, and overall business strength. So if your car wash is bringing in steady revenue and showing real business activity, you may still have options available. That is why it is important not to count yourself out too early. One of the biggest mistakes owners make is waiting too long. They wait until equipment breaks down, payroll gets tight, slow weather impacts cash flow, or a growth opportunity is already slipping away. Another mistake is not knowing their numbers. You should know your monthly revenue, your major expenses, your debt obligations, and exactly what the funding will be used for. Other mistakes include mixing business and personal finances, too many overdrafts, weak record keeping, and applying for the wrong type of funding. If you want to improve your approval odds, keep your business deposits consistent. Separate business and personal finances. Reduce overdraft and negative bank activity. Keep your records organized. Know your average monthly revenue. Have a clear use for the funds, and do not wait until your business is already under heavy pressure before exploring options. Car wash owners who prepare early usually put themselves in a stronger position. Let's say your car wash is doing well, but you need new vacuums, stronger working capital, and more money for payroll and supplies to keep the operation strong. Funding may help you make those moves without draining your operating cash. Or maybe you want to upgrade your wash tunnel, improve the property, add detailing services, or open another location. The right funding may help you move on that opportunity with more confidence. The right funding can help a car wash business grow in a major way. It can help you upgrade equipment, improve property appearance, keep supplies in stock, support payroll, strengthen cash flow, improve customer experience, add services, and expand into bigger opportunities. It can also help you avoid turning down growth just because you do not have enough capital to support it. When used strategically, funding can help move your business from just maintaining operations to scaling with confidence. At the end of the day, car wash funding can be a powerful tool when used the right way. Whether you need money for equipment, payroll, chemicals, utilities, property upgrades, working capital, operations, or growth, the key is understanding your options and positioning your business the right way. Funding should not only be looked at as a last resort, it can also be a smart strategy to strengthen your operation and support long-term growth. If you own a car wash and need funding for equipment, payroll, operations, property upgrades, or growth, check the link in the description to see what options may be available for your business. And make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more funding content. And I will see you in the next video.